Today we take a look at this magnificent home in Greenwich, Connecticut at $22 million. I love the European influence this house has. It's very unique and special, and it really has an old world vibe to it. I'd love to know your thoughts on it, so please leave me a comment of what you think of this house. And if you like it, please hit that like and subscribe. This French-American estate is custom built with European imports. Has 9 bedrooms, 13 bath, is 18,000 square foot on 3.18 acres. Take a look at this stunning double height wood paneled library with custom millwork. I hope you enjoyed this house as much as I have. It's absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. I was thinking that it almost doesn't even seem real. It's so perfect. But if you like this home, please, again, leave me a comment. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on these properties every time I do them. Sometimes I get really surprising comments. And please hit that like and subscribe. And we have new videos coming out every day. And as always, thank you for watching.